Located along the Fayette and Clayton County line in scenic northeast Iowa, this 94.74-acre surveyed hunting and recreational farm is a rare find in today's land market. With convenient access off Acorn Road from the southwest, the property offers a stunning blend of rolling ridges, open valleys, and strategic tree plantings, creating prime bedding, natural travel corridors, and ideal food plot locations for deer and turkey. A year-round creek winds through the land, fed by multiple natural springs. Combined with excellent cover, this farm is a wildlife magnet, producing consistent daylight deer movement as proven by trail camera and harvest photos. This corner of northeast Iowa is known for trophy-class whitetail and strong turkey populations. And this farm, it has everything needed to hold and grow mature bucks season after season. An established trail system provides easy access to all areas by ATV or foot. And with a beautiful building site overlooking the Eastern Valley, you'll have panoramic views, perfect for a cabin, lodge, or your dream country home. Looking for even more? An additional 100.40-acre tract to the south is also available. Together, they form an incredible 195-acre contiguous recreational paradise, offering unmatched seclusion, water, habitat diversity, and land management potential in one of Iowa's best whitetail regions. Whether you're after a secluded hunting retreat, a place to escape and unwind, or a long-term recreational investment, this farm delivers. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact local land specialist Matt Tobin at 563-457-7390.